countdown. Awesome. Cool. I believe I'm live. Let me do this. Hey guys, it's Dr. Nancy Lee. We are getting started in 1 minute. Welcome, welcome everybody. Awesome. Hold on, let me stop sharing. Hey guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee. So you are live in my training on YouTube and LinkedIn. If you're live with us, please comment on the chat, say hi, where you from, and what's your New Year's resolution for 2023. At the same time, we also have 2 guests with us who receive free live coaching from me on Zoom. Okay, so let me see who's there with us and also make sure actually I am connected correctly. Say hi in the chat so I can see you guys can hear me well. And at the same time, let me make sure people can see the stream. Yeah, looks like we are working well. Awesome. Okay, cool. All right. So I see several people jumping on YouTube already. Hey guys. Awesome. Okay, great. So let's get started. This is Dr. Nancy Lee. I am a director of product and featured in Forbes. And today we will focus on how would you able to help you to become product manager without technical background. And in the past, I've helped 100 people land the dream PM job offer in FAANG companies or unicorn startup. And today we are giving lots of free coaching to lots of our royal followers on YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay, so today we also have 2 people with us live to receive free coaching as well. Awesome. So let's go through today's stack very quickly, and let me share my screen so that you know what we're going through. Stack. Awesome. Okay, cool. If you guys can see my screen, comment on the chat, say hi, and say yes, you can see it. Awesome. So today we talk about no technical background, no tech degree. How can you become a product manager? What should you do? All right. So before we get started, so let's do a quick introduction. And also here is story of other students, and it's very interesting and crazy experience she had regarding her experience landing a job offer in Microsoft. So even if the example gave you is someone who had a computer science degree, but we have many people who doesn't have computer science degree. So I'm going to share with you regarding how exactly you can use very different strategies based on your unique background. But why I love to share with you guys regarding Amy's story is more about the challenges, how she solved her unique personnel and also school challenges. First of all, I do want to share with you guys regarding the mindset shift. Okay, so all of you guys probably thinking about, well, I do not have a tech degree. I do not have or any degree. And we also have students who have 0 degrees, so no college degree at all. So, oh, I don't have these degrees. How can I become product manager? Or someone, even if you have tech degrees, oh, I don't have an MBA. How can I become a product manager? And also, it's crazy. Lots of different kind of mind blocks. The city in front of you guys saying that, oh, I don't have this, I don't have that. How is possible? But why don't we shift this, saying that, hey, other people who has no degree at all, later on I'm going to share with you guys another student of mine, she had no degree, no college degree, but he was able to become a senior product manager at Mastercard. Okay, and also like Amy, even if she had a tech degree, but her challenge was she never go to great schools or like Harvard, MIT, those kind of amazing schools. And her school, nobody heard of her school. and none of her alumni actually was working for Microsoft or any other FAANG companies. Okay, but how was she able to figure out, well, given all the challenges being presented in front of me, how can I make it happen? So number one thing is I want you guys really find a role model, figure out, oh, for Amy, she was able to become product manager at Microsoft, or also in Eddie had no degree at all. He was able to become a product manager, senior PM at Mastercard as well. So it's definitely possible. First of all, I want you guys to understand it is definitely possible. Okay. And then let's figure out specific strategies, how you're able to solve your unique challenges to become product manager. Okay. So here I'm teaching you all the strategies, but I want you to use all the inspirations I just shared with you, like student Amy went to school, never heard of, but she was able to become product manager in Microsoft, and she was just an undergrad. Okay. So remove your disbeliefs regarding, oh, I cannot make it. Yes, other people can make it happen. My role model can make it happen. I can make it happen as well. So now today I'm teaching you the strategies. Okay, cool. All right. Now let's also continue the deck. And also quick reminder, everyone please take a screenshot right now. So if you're interviewing for any kind of big tech companies, tier 1 company coming up, please download the 50 FAANG company interview questions. I also understand lately there are lots of like crazy layoff in Google. I think Google lay off like 12,000 people, and Microsoft another 10,000 people, like Amazon 18,000 people. It all happened within a week. Okay, there's a lot going on, but if there's a great opportunity, very few opportunities being presented in front of you, you really need to know how would you be able to capture the opportunity, be the top 1% candidate, okay? So one of the ways to make it happen is directly use the mock interview questions database, so the real life interview questions database, and you can go to this website, darknessly.com/50FAANG, to download those mock interviews database so that you know what's the best strategy for you to become product manager and use those databases. You can improve your interview skills as well by doing more practices. Okay, take a screenshot right now and go to the link and download the sheet. Okay, and now today we have Lena and also Amy join us live to receive free coaching, and also how to receive free coaching. There's 2 ways to do it. In the description of this video, you can see a form, this Google form, where you can submit like request to receive free coaching from us, or you can directly email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io. Or you can directly comment on the chat right now. So our team monitor all the content, all the comments. You can directly monitor the chat saying that, hey, where can I get the link? I want to get free coaching, to come and say in the free coaching. Our team will find you as well. Awesome. Okay, cool. And now who gets selected? We are a big believer of giving back to the communities. In the past, I've donated over $20,000 to any nonprofit. Every year we do one-on-one donation matches, which means you donate $1, we donate $1 as well. So any nonprofit you help in the past, you receive free coaching from me. Okay, of course, whoever has the most likes, comments, and shares of my YouTube or LinkedIn content, you're able to receive free coaching as well. Just email my team. We're going to ask you lots of questions. They can join us, just like Amy and Lena today. Awesome. Okay, so final reminder, anybody who is interested in Product Manager Accelerator program should go to this website, darkness.com/masterclass, to receive free coaching. Not free coaching, to receive this is also 1 hour free coaching from us regarding the best strategies, how to land and keep your dream PM job during a hiring freeze. Okay, go to this website, darkness.com/masterclass. We're gonna see you there, and at the same time, towards the end of the masterclass, we'll also tell you different packages regarding who do we select to join our program inside the PM Accelerator. Okay, cool. All right. Now, final reminder, here is the mock interview groups, and you guys can directly scan the barcode and join the WeChat group and LinkedIn group to get ready for your upcoming interview, so you can find your mock interview partners as well. So take a screenshot right now and then scan the barcode to join the groups later on. Awesome. So looks like we have 4 people join us today. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So let's do live coaching right now. Cool. Oh, my team had another slides. But anyway, so my point is, so this slide is about the offer celebration inside the PM Accelerator. My point is there are lots of new opportunities coming up in January. I really want you guys to get prepared. For example, I was going to receive like offers from Bosch and being like 9 months pregnant, and also somebody received remote PM positions. He also landed, and this person also earlier this week also received like a senior director position as well, and other people joined like a digital banking offer, or someone received a PM intern offer. All happened in January. So I want all of you guys to capture this wave. Okay, there are more opportunities, even if Google, like Microsoft having layoff, but other companies are still hiring as well. You just need to be prepared when opportunities are being presented in front of you. Okay, cool. All right, so let's do the free coaching today. Before we review all the pre-submit questions, let's do this. Let me give a high-level overview before we pull 3 people here. Lamaha, how are you? All right. So all of you guys who joined me, the 3 of you guys join me on Zoom. Please put in the Zoom chat. You can put your, yes, you can questions. Can't talk, you're sorry. Cool. Okay. Yeah. If you cannot talk, put your questions in the chat. Okay. I'm going to answer your questions live. And the other 2 persons, because we always do live mock interviews, live Q&A, and live 30 seconds elevator pitch review. If you are here with us, want to do any live mock interviews or 30 seconds elevator pitch, you can put in the comment in the chat as well. I'm going to pull you up. Okay. Cool. All right. So now let me give you an overview regarding if you do not have a tech degree, what should you do right now? First of all, let me be transparent with you guys. Majority of our students inside the PM Accelerator, they do not have technical degree at all. So it is like very normal. So you don't have a tech degree, it's like, to be frank, it's like, yeah, most people do not have tech degree and they can become a product manager in like different kind of companies, including FAANG companies as well. I'm going to tell you what type of degree or what type of positions they're going to hire people without a tech degree in general. Okay, so now, first of all, when you do not have a tech degree, there's several things to do. Number 1, immediately, you need to understand that I think the study, 5% of product managers out there knows how to code, something like that. It's like crazy. Literally, this like McKinsey study, 5% product managers knows how to code today out there. Okay, there's just lots of people who already keep the spot and they become product manager and they transition into product management. Okay, and now, and like majority of the people who knows how to code, they all work for Google because Google want product managers who knows how to code to work for them. Okay, but lots of people, the differences between coding and also understanding technology. For example, myself, I don't know how to code, but I understand technology very well, and I was perceived by my team regarding, oh, she's very technical. Okay, so therefore, number 1, you need to tell yourself that, hey, for fact, 5% product managers today knows how to code. The other 5%, they don't know how to code at all. Number 1 thing. Okay, number 2, knowing the fact that you don't know how to code and also like majority product managers don't know how to code, what should you do? And number 2 thing, so in this situation, you need to find the opportunities that is able to leverage your prior experience. For example, in the past, if you work in the cloud space before, or in the past, I work in the AI space before using machine visions. So that was my very first job, right? So at the time, I had no clue how to code, what is machine vision, but I was able to understand the concept of AI, machine vision. Okay, and then talk about how we're able to use the technology to create a better product, and also talk about how users are able to leverage the same technology to create better solutions for them. So you do need to understand what is AI, but you never need to know how to code. Okay, so understand the concept yourself. Number 3 is that you should actually just take some classes, AI 101. Cloud 101, the many 101 like technology 101 classes. I have a YouTube video that links to all the free classes, and some of those classes really good on YouTube. Just like I myself even watched those to really understand what the difference is. Okay, YouTube amazing. Okay, they're giving you the technology 101 training for free. Now let me share with you regarding different YouTube videos, and then I'm going to share with you step number 4 regarding what jobs you should target if you don't have tech degree. Okay, so let me do this. Let me go to let's go to YouTube, where I like to share with you regarding different types of let's come here. Your so-called channel membership. Unlock a new way to earn money on channel membership. YouTube want me to create membership, which I plan to do soon. Yeah, look out for our new membership announcement. Okay, so in the description of this video, top 20 Google Product Manager interview questions and how to answer them. And I put in lots of courses. See, all those are free courses. I also have recommended like LinkedIn courses. So it's like, I think it's part of your like $10 per month, something like that. You can take lots of courses. Now, let me give you some examples, right? If you don't know how to code. Okay, so now, no tech degree, what should you do? Cloud computing architecture tools. And this is the same type of classes I recommend my student inside PM Accelerator to take as well. So you get so lucky you get in the free training. Okay, so we come here, only 40 minutes. It's really good. It's actually really good. I had my student watch this and myself watch this multiple times. Okay, it's like giving you the concept. And there are so many other courses. It's here, cloud computing architecture foundation, like how does like the web work, website browser functions, software architecture basis, like those are basic concepts you need to understand, you need to learn, and all linked in the description on my YouTube video. Okay, they are here. Oh, hold on, I think, oh, this video was taken down. Oh no, I'm going to change the link. Okay, so, but anyway, so go to, oh, I think YouTube slowed down. Okay, so basically go to this video, the top 20 Google Product Manager interview questions, how to answer them. And I'm going to change the link. Interesting. Somehow the link doesn't work, but it's out here. Okay, click those links and watch those free training yourself and software architecture classes. You can also download the recommended LinkedIn classes by me, all the technical classes like AI 101, database 101, everything 101 is very fast. And the link is also in the description of this video. So here, come here. Okay, and also give a like and subscribe to this and like and share of this video. Okay, cool. Okay, so now step number 4, you go here. You go to LinkedIn and find the positions that doesn't require any tech background. Let me show you how to find it. It's very easy. There's so many opportunities you guys don't know how to capture those. That's why you receive free coaching here. Okay, so now for example, you can search product manager position and still over 300 jobs. Like say 333,000 PM jobs in the US right now. It's crazy. Okay, there's still lots of opportunities, just don't know how to capture those. So let's use this. Oh, this is a remote position. I love this. Senior product manager growth. For example, this one. Oh, they are remote. I love there's so many remote positions. Did I make like remote? This is amazing. It's all okay, guys. It's also lots of remote positions. I personally prefer remote positions because I'm just a new mom. Wow, lots of remote positions. This is great. Cool. For example, this one. You don't need a tech degree to do the job. Senior product manager growth, focusing on product growth, interesting retention, lifetime value of a customer is all focused on growing the value of your customers and running A/B testing. You don't need to know how to code, or any technical degree to understand A/B testing. Once you just need to take some classes about A/B testing. Actually, inside PM Accelerator, we teach A/B testing as well. Okay, so take some classes about A/B testing, and then you say, oh, this is how you design it. It's more about designing A/B testing. Okay, so right here, and yeah. So for example, you see this minimum 3 years experience in fast-paced environment. They didn't say, hey, you need to know how to code, right? Understand conducting A/B testing, like different things. And And you might, so for A/B testing and in this job requirement and saying that you need SQL, in reality, when you run A/B testing, work with engineer, okay, or data scientists, they run SQL for you, but you design the make A/B testing like cases for them. Okay, the end-to-end customer design process, those are not technical at all. So you should all do it. Okay, so like so many like positions out there. Like senior product manager. Let's do non-senior. They gave me senior result because I'm senior. Okay. When you guys show searcher is likely to find non-senior positions. Okay. So my point is this, like, for example, this one is crazy. Probably creators, right? So basically this company is also remote position. Why give me so many remote positions? I love this. I think last time I searched remote and now just give me so many remote positions, which I like. Yeah, see? So this is more about, hey, how would you create solutions in an AI company for creators? So understand the creators is more important than knowing how to code in AI. Okay, so those are something you guys need to like understand how to leverage your strengths to make it happen. And see the job description didn't say you need to code at all. So there's many new opportunities for being presented in front of you. Okay, cool. No. Let me stop sharing. Let's do Q&A right now. So for the four steps, and then you know how to leverage the non-technical background. Okay, become a PM. Awesome. So let's do this. Putting in the chat. So Amy, you're not working. You cannot speak, but you can directly type questions. Lena, question. Do you want to do mock interviews or review a 30 seconds elevator pitch, or you have any specific questions for me? Feel free to turn on your camera and unmute yourself. Hi, Elena, are you here?
Hi, yes. I'm just here. I'm just listening in. So
okay.
I'm not prepared for anything or a mock interview, just listening.
Awesome. Okay, then you can stay on here. Amy had a question. Can a Scrum Master become product manager? What would they need to do? Oh, very good, very good. Okay, great, cool. Yes, Scrum Master can absolutely become product manager. I think it's very close. Very close to become a product manager regarding Scrum Master background. Okay, so now for Scrum Masters, here's what you do. Number one thing, let's analyze your strengths and weakness, right? So your strengths is you know engineering process very well. You also understand the agile process. You probably know how to work with engineers. You also have seen product roadmap. You have seen people written requirement in the past. Basically, you know it very well. The weakness is, you know, experience, you didn't design product roadmap. And you may not get opportunity to write user stories either. Someone, the product manager wrote it and you work with engineering team to implement it, right? So here is how you can become product manager with a Scrum Master background. Number one is you immediately in your current job as a Scrum Master, try to get involved to influence the product roadmap. You don't need to be one who like calls a shot saying that, hey, here is what I want to do. Like I want to design roadmap for 2 years. Probably other people will do it, but you can influence the roadmap by proposing product features, by working with any customer feedback. If it's any customers engaging with the product, any feedback, the key is you need to collect information so that you're able to make proposals saying that, hey, there is something we add to the roadmap, or we change the roadmap, or we change any prioritization of any features on the roadmap. Okay, so number one thing, immediately influence the roadmap. Number two is that you can start just like write requirements for your team. And your product manager probably written requirement in the past. You can just be, hey, there's something else I believe the requirement is missing. I wrote 5 more requirements adding to your existing one so you can build a better product. You can just write it yourself and make it as a proposal, say that I think we should write requirement, new requirement for this and this, because most product managers today, they haven't had done like systematic training regarding how to be a great product manager. Lots of them are mediocre product managers. So in this situation, it is your opportunity to shine that, oh, those like requirement was written okay, but not good enough. So let me just write more to help you to build better product. Okay, so you can definitely directly help them to write requirement. And then through the process, you start to gain product management experience by start working on those opportunities. So this is a very, as a Scrum Masters, I think it's very easy to become a product manager for sure. Okay, so 200%, this is I think the easiest position to transition into PM, because you get access to everything. You just need to know how to leverage it. And also finally, Scrum Masters, I really recommend everybody to immediately learn what's the best way for you to actually know in real life how to become a great product manager. So because if you kind of, so for example, in order to influence product roadmap, you don't even know yourself what in reality, how to build a better product roadmap. And then say, well, how can you influence it? So I encourage you guys to learn, okay, so this is how big tech companies build product roadmap. Okay, so this is how they prioritize different features. This is how they write user stories. Okay, great. So I know the right way to do it. And then you can make proposals, you can write your own. And whatever proposals you make will make like, wow, this sounds very great. Okay, you have to make good proposals when you influence other people's roadmap. Okay, so therefore I recommend you guys to learn before you make it. Okay, learn it before you make it. That's a tagline was in PM Accelerator. Okay, so if you guys are interested in PM Accelerator, actually we teach people all the skills, how to become how to master the FAANG level PM skills, become a great product manager inside PM Accelerator as well. So you can go to the website drnancy.com to learn more. Okay, cool. Let me also put and see all the live questions. We have other live questions on LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay, so I love this. Karam said, Karam from India, resolution for 2023 is invest in yourself and gain new skills. I love this, Karam. Yes, I believe that investing in yourself is the only investment with guaranteed return, for sure. Anything you want to learn, just a list, put it on your list to start learning this. Actually, in January, how much money spent? I think I spent like $3,000 in different courses already. That is going to last for the whole year for me to continue to learn. And also January, I spent $7,000 on my team. So I purchased a Tony Robbins training to train my team to teach them leadership skills for half a year. It's a half-year training. I spent $7,000 on my team to learn as well. So January is the best time for you to decide you want to learn something, continue learning. Okay, so good for you, Karan. I love this. Jamie, what's your thought on doing MBA and computer science, especially for someone who doesn't have computer science or business background, is in early 30s. Okay, so you are like in your early 30s, 31, 32, and you're thinking about getting an MBA or computer science degree. Okay. And I assume your goal, so Jamie, I assume your goal is to become a product manager. So therefore you're thinking about getting either MBA or computer science degree. Okay, so now, here's the thing. I do not recommend people to take MBA degree for the purpose of becoming a product manager. Okay, so guess what? The Harvard MBA, only 7% of Harvard MBA became a product manager. Only 7%. Okay, you search it, public information on Google, search how many people, percentage of Harvard MBA become a product manager, 7%. Only 14% of MBAs from MIT actually became a product manager as well. Only 14%, not 40, not 40. 40 is high, okay? 14 from MIT. MIT is the most technical school in the US, okay? Only 14% of people from MIT MBA school actually became a product manager. It's crazy, all right? And then Harvard 7%. So doing an MBA doesn't guarantee you're going to become product manager at all. And actually, if your goal is to become product manager, and I think the MBA investment $200,000 per year investment is a big waste of money only for a small goal. There's more return, there's a higher return on investment opportunities for you to become a product manager much easier than spending $200,000 per year to become an MBA. Okay, for sure. Okay, so now here's how you do it without getting MBA. So I believe so. PM Accelerator is the most efficient program for you to become product manager, go to our website, drnancy.com, and check out more. Okay. And if you don't want to spend money learning, you can also go to Udemy for a $10 course. But I personally believe that $10 is not going to solve the problem. Okay. You just need to find the program that helps you to actually gain the right skills to become product manager. I really do not think MBA is the right choice. Okay. Of course, I also have high confidence PM Accelerator actually is the best program out there helping people to become product manager. You should definitely check it out for sure. Okay. And now computer science degree. Oh, by the way, my team had a question for me. And one sec, let me respond. Cool. Okay, now we have this. So next question I have is, hold on, I have many texts. Oh, computer science degree. Okay. In your early 30s, do you really need a computer science degree? I personally believe that if your goal is to become a product manager, you just end your 30s. I wouldn't just for the purpose taking a computer science degree to become product manager unless you want to become software developer. I do think like computer science degree helps you to become a software developer. Okay, so it's for someone doing MBA and computer science degree, unless here's a different thing. Unless you feel like, wow, I feel so great about myself if I know how to code. I feel so great about myself. I can gain so much great network within like my MBA program. And for that purpose, I think you should. Okay, as I said, most product manager, you don't need to know how to code, but there's a hack to do it. Okay, so for those different kind of computer science degree, I wouldn't do a computer science degree, to be frank. I would do like systems management. And I believe those like systems management, for example, I took systems design from MIT, right? I did system design management. I think those systems design and management degree is better than computer science degree because as a product manager, you don't need to know how to code at all, not at all. But knowing systems design is a second level computer science. Okay, so system design based design different kind of like functions within the technical systems. So those are the better degree for you to take if you really want to take a degree. Okay, so I don't think computer science degree is the right choice, but system design or system design management or information design management or information system management, those are better degree for you to take. Okay, but again, I don't think you need like know how to code. So leverage your resources effectively. You are conflating coding ability with tech degree. They're on the same thing. Okay, yeah. Okay. Clearly, these are two different things. Okay. A tech degree can involve many different things, and you don't need to know how to code. Now, for lots of product manager positions, if you, let's say you have like computer science, we don't need to talk about computer science. You don't need, let's say you have electrical engineering degree, right? So if you have electrical engineering degree, you don't need to be like, hey, I need to get electrical engineering degree to become product manager. I think it's like detour as well. Okay, so now for tech degree, let's say you don't have let's say for tech degree, yes, you do not need, let's say you get electrical engineering degree so that I can become product manager. So you don't need tech degree either. Okay, so it's more about, hey, do I know how things work in the systems? So therefore, I recommend you guys take those free classes on YouTube or LinkedIn or different places to understand, hey, this is how things work, exactly how things work. This is how I learn the AI, different kind of knowledges. And actually a student of mine, and Diana, she lands 3 PM job offer. One of those a TPM job offer from Meta to work on AI product. Okay, so for those kind of roles, she was accountant. She was purely accountant, completely accountant. With her background, with accounting background, Oh, she's also CPA. She literally doesn't know how to code, but she was able to land the AI position. Okay, in those like a TPM position for AI space. So it was because she took those classes about AI. So you don't need a degree, but you need to take those classes to understand what you want to work for AI company. You better understand what the heck is AI. So that's the key. Okay, so Ego says, thank you for a wonderful session. Looking forward to the interview questions database. Yes, you can go to the interview questions database we had that I shared with you earlier, and go to darknessy.com/50fan. Let me show you again if you missed it for the interview questions database. Where is my hold on. Where is my database? Yes, go here, 50fan PM interview questions database. Go here, darkness.com/50fan. You are able to directly join us. Use those interview question database to prepare for your upcoming interviews. Now let me do next question. Okay, so you're assuming product manager in the software industry, they are product manager in various vertical, not just software. Yes. So I assuming that, but the examples give you guys have many different like directions where you can go try, like PM in fintech space, or PM in healthcare tech space, and there are many different type of PMs out there. You should give it a try as well. Cool. Let me see. Oh, we also have pre-submit questions. Feel free to put your questions in the chat. We're gonna go through this. Okay, so let me go to the Q&A. Is this the latest question? Hold on, let me go through this. All right, so how to develop the skills and show the qualities and skills from coursework and class project. Ooh, very good. I assume you mean to build the product portfolio so that you're able to show the quality of skills from coursework and project. Okay, develop skills. First of all, let's assume this is product management skills. Okay, so how to develop product management skills? First of all, I recommend everybody to take a course about product management. I'm very sincere. You freaking don't even take a course about product management. How do you know how to learn those skills? Just like go take some courses about product management. Okay, I'm very, very sincere. First of all, take it. I don't know where it's coming from. You're going to learn those skills. Learn it first, and then you like develop those skills. I assume you already learned how to become a great product manager first. And then when you develop the skills, you just need to apply what you learned in the class and by building a product portfolio. I believe product portfolio is the most efficient way to demonstrate, hey, I know how to build the product, and here is the example of how I apply the skills in the real life scenario. For example, the customer interview skills and writing requirements. This is a typical product manager skills, one-on-one. Okay, and then you apply the skills you learned in the product management class, and then you apply this in a real life scenario, and that's how you develop those skills. Okay, and then show the quality skills from coursework class project. Okay, so now I assume for your class project you did something related to product, and then it's easy. You just turn it into a product portfolio. Now the quality has to be good, and the way you show the quality is actually do what the real life product managers need to do. That's the best way to show the quality of those projects. Okay, so therefore, I still highly recommend you guys, hey, you need to understand in real life how product manager write requirements. Okay, so that's how they write requirements. Okay, that's the best way to write requirements. Okay, great. And then you learn this first, and then you go here and say, okay, so this is how I did it in my class project. This is how I requirement following the best practices of how to writing how to write requirement, and then you can turn it into your product portfolio. Okay. I talk about the importance of product portfolio in my YouTube video. So let me put it here. Oh, come here. We have it here as well. Where's the portfolio video I had? How to be. It's in this playlist. Come here. It's very important. Okay. Okay, so watch this video regarding how you're able to leverage product portfolio to succeed in your upcoming PM job hunting journey. Okay, so this have many different things. I talk about things you need to be included in your product portfolio, how you design it, the differences of product portfolios, and everything's there. Okay, so make sure you watch this video and then you know how to show quality work to demonstrate your past experience. Okay, so next one, hold on, did I finish? Do you have any, by the way, any videos? Do you have any videos to help understand how to transition to PM without having a technical background? Yeah, so let me show you the first video. Let me put a portfolio video in the chat first. Okay. Now let me share it in the chat here. Okay, I post in the chat regarding product portfolio video. I think it can only be posted on YouTube, nor not LinkedIn. If you're on LinkedIn, go to this what I'm sharing right now. My YouTube channel. I see only YouTube can see it. LinkedIn integration is not good. Cool. So go there first. Okay, so now next video. Dun, 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 dun. One sec, let me go back. Hold on, this is right here. Next video, do you have? The beginning video helps understand how to transition to PM without having a technical background. Okay, very good. All right. Yes, we have some videos. So this is live training. It's actually talking about what you need to do. There's another training where I talk about, do you need tech degree and different kind of courses you can take. Come here. So do you need the tech degree is here. One sec. Let me go here. I believe it's also is coding required. Okay, so this video, do you need tech degree, computer science degree to become product manager? So this video has more recommendations, right? Different things you can leverage and how to become product manager and identify the type of product that's more relevant. And then different courses I recommend you guys to take, okay, even if you don't have a tech degree. Let me share this video with you guys. Hold on. How to share. If you're on LinkedIn, just go to my playlist, how to become product manager with no experience. Talk about, do you need tech background, computer science, become product manager? And that video has lots of resources. Okay, watch this video. On YouTube, you should already get the link from my chat as well. Awesome. So let me go back to answer the next question. John, how can someone break into PM without tech? Is it possible to join FAANG or any other company? Yes. Okay, now, as I said, you don't need the tech degree. Okay, you don't need computer science degree. You don't need electrical engineering degree. I also think it's stupid to study electrical engineering in order to become product manager. It's just wrong path. Okay, you don't need to study those stuff to become a product manager at all. And now, without those technical degrees, what can you do? how can break into without tech degrees? We covered this in the earlier thing. Most importantly is you take classes to learn the foundation of AI, cloud, everything. So you actually just need to understand how things work. Your systems design is the most important thing you need to understand and study. So when you go into like Google interview, okay, or any like many different like technical companies interview, especially Google, they'll be like, hey, let's do systems design. The reason they test you system design instead of coding experience is because system design is way more important to understand how different systems relate to each other, different requirements, and flowing in between different systems. So those are most important classes you should take. And also there's like cloud architecture, different kind of architecture design, as I said earlier, it is in the training on my YouTube channel. Let me share with you guys. So it is there. I encourage you guys to study those compared with getting like other degree in tech space. So it's possible. And also like the degree I got was like systems management. So it's a management degree. So it's a systems management is way better than computer science degree, and also way better than MBAs, because success rate actually become product manager is much higher doing the route I just showed them. It's possible to join FAANG or any other companies without tech degree. Yes, it is possible. Now, depends on the type of team you're going to join. Okay, so for example, my student Diana, so I said earlier, like Diana has 3 offers, and one offer TPM offer from Meta. She was accountant. She is accountant CPA, no tech background for sure. Okay, didn't get training in the space, but she took lots of AI classes. Okay, we shared the AI classes she took with EMPM Accelerator community so that everyone can learn from her the same kind of classes she had as well. So when you go to the technical classes recommended at the download, this also has the classes we recommend for entry-level PM job as well. So the answer is absolutely possible. Now, Meta is also another company. They do not need tech degree for sure. We have students who's like MBA students or like someone entrepreneurs join Meta. They don't know how to code. They don't have tech degree at all. They join Meta. So it is extremely reasonable for Meta. Okay, so it really depends on the type of team, type of companies you're looking for. Okay, so it's possible, but right now, to be frank, all the like Google type of companies, they had layoff, so they're very limited headcount right now. So therefore, in this situation, I wouldn't think about, oh, do I only want to join Google type of companies? I would focus on other type of company who still had headcount right now. And also for Google needs you to know how to code to become PM, or or even if you land a job within 3 months you get fired, they really want you to be able to code so that you have authorities to lead product managers. So in the video I shared with you guys earlier, do you need tech degree to become product manager? I break it down into different companies. Is there? Okay. For other companies, yes. For other companies, for sure, only 5% product managers, they know how to code. Next. How to enroll PMA Pro program. So if you're interested in our coaching program inside PM Accelerator, go to this website, darknessly.com/masterclass. You can directly register for our upcoming free masterclass, and then stay until the end where we're going to discuss who do we select to join the program. Okay, but still, it's going to give you the whole framework, the blueprint. How would you be able to land and keep your dream PM job offer during recession without applying for 1,000 jobs online? Awesome. So I think I answered all the questions here. Let me also post the question one. I'm doing YouTube live. Okay, so sorry, home interruption. I'm putting a link here. Okay. Family interruption. Give me 1 second. Sorry, just found out my son is sick from daycare. I need to pick him up. So sad. Yes, that's what happened. Always. Now let's finish our YouTube live before I pick up my son. My son's sick. It's crazy. Okay, so let me see. Do you have any questions? Any remaining questions? Cool. Okay, so looks like we answered all the questions. This is awesome. Cool. All right. So I'm going to see you soon and in our next live training. And also, Lena, thank you for joining us live on Zoom as well. Anybody who want to receive free coaching, want to do the mock interviews, or any like reviewing your 30 seconds elevator pitch or review a resume, you can join me on Zoom live as well, just like Lena. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, great. So I do need to pick up my son. He's sick. All right, cool. All right. Talk to you guys soon, and make sure to share and like our videos and also watch other free trainings in our YouTube playlist. There's many different kind of sample answers for your interview questions. Okay, so study those. Awesome. Okay, cool. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Gonna pick up my son. See you guys. Bye.